And viewers, breaking news coming in. We're getting information from our sources in the Al Falah University terror case in Faridabad. 2 more individuals have been arrested. The team has arrested individuals named Rizwan and Shoaib. Both the accused were arrested from the Hayat colony in Noo. Both individuals are accused of funding in the terror case, and both have had provided funding to the terrorists, is what we're given to understand. Investigation is ongoing. Names of the two are also emerging in this regard. Soumya, my colleague, joins me on the phone line for more details. Soumya, you have been tracking the entire conspiracy surrounding the Al Falah University and how the entire case panned out, making the university being in the spotlight. And every day we are hearing several of these individuals related to the university being arrested. What is the latest?
Yes, Riyanka, see, just yesterday we saw how the crackdown of the investigative officers with regards to Noo has been intensified. Now, a new breakthrough, a major development that has come in the forefront is that 2 more individuals have been arrested as we speak. The police officials have arrested 2 individuals from Al Falah University itself, one being named Rizwan and other Shoaib. However, the twist is that those 2 accused were arrested from Hayat colony of Noo district there in Haryana. And with that, the sources within the police had to say that they were apparently funding this particular terror module. So, because if you remember, just few days back, the investigative officers had started trying to understand the funding of the Al Falah University as well, and also the next course of action was to understand the funding of the terror module as well as to what other links they could have here in Faridabad or all over the Haryana, who were all the other people they might have been in touch with, because they have been, for example, in this case, Muzammil, who was in the university for more than 3 years. So, of course, there had to be more people he was in touch with. So now, with the investigation progressing each day, the new names are coming in forefront. Most of them are from Al Falah University. The 2 individuals in question who have been arrested, those 2 are also from Al Falah and have been arrested and are accused of funding this terror module. The police sources have to say that they were funding the terrorists. More details around it are kept under wraps because it's the issue of national security. So as and when we get more details, we will have more clarity.
Soumya, stay on with us.